Hello from Tosh Tires. I've got a Honda Jazz here on a 2011 plate. Just going to be replacing the main dip beam on this one, which is this one right here. It's a H4 bulb, and on this side I'm going to be doing the 501 bulb on the top right there. So this one's working, but the other side isn't, and then this one's working, but on the other side isn't. So it's quite easy to replace. To do it, it's quite a simple procedure. It's that plug right there I need to undo. So it's the black one. This is the one that I need to take out, and there's only one way it would go in as well. So once you've taken it out, take the bulb out. It's a 501 bulb, which is right here. You can never get this right. But how about if I switch the lights off? Right, that's the one. It's a 501 bulb you need to put it in. I'm going to need a pair of hands for this, but I'm going to try without anyone's help. So I will need a hand right there. You can just hold it. Thank you. Well, let me put the lights off. Right, this is the 501 bulb I'm replacing. It's a sidelight bulb, and what you all got to do is, if you look in here, you can see where I'm slotting the bulb in, right inside. Once I've slotted in all the way, I then twist it, I then turn it to my right. That's it, it's all the way in, and then I turn it to my right. Now I can't take it out. Just gonna check the lights, make sure it's working. So as you can see right there, it's working now. And what I'm going to do is, the next video will be for the main dip beam. So I'll be doing that in a second as well, and that'll be a second part to this video. If you need anything else, don't forget to check out the playlist for Honda, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you, goodbye.